Cleaning your printer is not a new or exciting idea, but it is a way to improve your print quality. The idea is simple. Clean your printer as often as the manual recommends, and you'll get those clean, colorful prints you're looking for. Let's walk you through the simple process of cleaning your ID Maker Arc. First, open the lid and remove the ribbon. Then go ahead and remove the remaining cards from the input hopper. With the lid open, press the power button to stop the blinking ribbon indicator. Now that you're ready for cleaning, locate your printer-specific cleaning card. First, open the packet and remove the cleaning card. Then click the power button twice in quick succession to begin the cleaning routine. When prompted, insert the cleaning card into the front slot of the printer and wait till the cycle is complete. The card will eject when completed. We recommend repeating this process once more with the other side of the cleaning card to maximize the cleaning effect. Next, locate your print head pen. Run it along the print head located on the inside of the printer lid. Once you've done so, your ID Maker Arc is clean. Now you can reinsert your ribbon and put your blank ID cards back in the input hopper. And just like that, you're ready for your next print job. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!